Hey, I got sent over a walking cane to check out and give my thoughts and opinion about it. So let's get it opened up and check. Whoa, that is sharp looking. Y'all look at the design on this thing. Sweet. That is cool. What else is in here? Okay, has the rubber foot on it. Has 4 different ones. It's great for stabilization. Keep you from having to lean it up against stuff and just leave it standing. Let's check this out. Oh, that is cool. You just put it in there like that, and we'll just slide this rubber piece in here like this. Just get that rubber on there on the bottom, and there you go. And it is adjustable. You can see a little adjustment right here. It has 5 different settings on it here. Just loosen this off, push this in, slide it all the way up. Right there. Tighten that back up. There you go. That's a bit tall for me, but if you're real tall, that would be good. That is about the right height for me right there. Oh, look. I just noticed that it's got a flashlight on it. And take some batteries, apparently. Just happen to have some batteries right here. Just load it up. And we have light. That is cool, y'all. Looks like it's pretty bright, too. I really like this design. I like that black. It has flowers on it, but it's really cool looking flowers. And that black on it makes it look cool. Let's take it outside and see how bright that light really is. All right, let's see how bright this is. Whoa, that is bright. That will definitely light up the area. Close this door all the way. Look at that. I am impressed, y'all. You can see these steps real good. You just having ease down there, which actually this really does help. It's blinding the camera, I can see that. But look at that. That's amazing. Little bitty flashlight on the handle of your walking cane. That don't beat all. Look at that. You can see that steps perfectly. Tell you what, that is awesome. That flashlight on there is just a bonus right there. Like that little lanyard right here, you can put that around your wrist. That way, if something does happen and you drop this, you don't have to worry about going all the way to the floor. Be right there at your hand. I like the 4 feet right there. Leave it stand there. You don't have to find somewhere to lean it up against and worry about it falling over on the floor. Really nice walking cane. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.